Yeah, the four lads are from the Mountbellew Vintage Club in County Galway, and they are currently leading the Irish Vintage Seas Ferguson 20-minute challenge. As you can see, all the factors, it's the Ferguson 20 TVO, it's been fully stripped, oil water has been all taken out of the gearbox back in, and they have the gearbox and back into on there already. Got the diff gun in the back for anyone that can't see. Already this morning they done both times, they done it number 10 minutes. They had penalties on both occasions. The penalties are a 5-second penalty for a loose nut and a 10-second penalty for anything that's missing. The tractor must start, the lift must go up, and then the clock is stopped. If the lift doesn't go up and the tractor doesn't start, obviously they'll be qualified. The rear end is coming together very nicely. Together as well. 1 minute, 10 seconds gone, there's a lot of this tractor together already.
One left, you're falling behind a bit there.
The team manager over the far side thinks they're falling behind a small bit.
No, you are!
We have 2 other teams taking part over the next few days. One is from Inishowen. They're currently in second place. If they could beat these lads, that they could take the lead in the championship. And on the Thursday we have the Tyrone team taking place. Taking part, and they'll do 3 minutes as well. So both teams will be at 11, 1 and 3. On Thursday we have a new team who are practicing to take part in next year's championship in County Cavan. They will be doing the demonstration build on 2 different times.
Before it gets down.
Around there, the first 20 minutes are coming to the website. You'll get to see videos of all the videos from this year and last year. These lads do this build, that's just a part of the country. Often for charity, they travel all over Ireland to do build for charity. Here you have the authorised water builder. You're all lucky you're standing this side, you wouldn't want to see what Mike Joe has put in the oil with.
I'll let you want to get some stroke if you hang around there, right?
We're only at 2 minutes and 59. 3 minutes, lads, you're doing well here. Come on, lads. Steering assembly going on there. Come on, show them a bit of appreciation. Get them to get it up here. There, the lift has gone on, the lift assembly has gone on as well. It's very much a teamwork. It's a TVO, Frank. Just don't look at these over that man's hand there.
Come on then, come on then, come on then, come on then.
You can see a very fast time here, ladies and gentlemen. Irish Vintage Seas magazine sponsors this.
Good going.
4 years ago, it was 22 minutes. That was brilliant. Now we see it under 10 minutes. It's fantastic. The tractor is totally original. Many people are doing this film using modified tractors.
Eugene.
No short, no fix.
Come on then.
Totally standard, original version. No power tools, as you can see, it must be all handy tools. All idle power must come back here, it must start.
Quick check.
Here's what the oil with the nice new bucket. Fuel tank on. There is a quick connection there for the fuel line for obvious safety reasons. That's one of the only shortcuts on the tractor. 4 minutes 45 there, that's very, very well.
Oh, yeah.
These lads can build their own tractor which they use for demonstrations in under 7 minutes. Come on lads, the shower will be here in about 2 minutes. And fairness to these lads, Andy and Inishowen and the Tyrone boys, they've often done this in the fourth grade. When we say we do it at a show, we do it. And the trainer will still do it. With the first wing going on there. Again, you can see underneath there's no short studs there, it's the full in studs, original studs on there. Going on at the front here, very well assembled at this stage. So anyone that's here and has spent 3 or 4 years restoring the Ferguson 20, you should maybe give these lads a shout. 4 years. The back end is very well assembled, everything's there. 2 wheels are going on simultaneously here. These lads are on fire here, folks. Come on, let's get them going. 6 minutes and 6 lads. Come on, you're going to break this 9 this time.
Yes, yes.
There is a referee watching this, obviously, because it's the counting round of the championship. Afterwards, when they're finished, every nut goes will be checked to make sure it's tight, make sure it's not missing.
Let's go, let's come on.
It is well worth their while.
Come on.
You can see the wheels going on there, it's Formula 1 style. The last few bolts around the back end of the gearbox. Very good, lad, 650.
Why are tractor bits on the
You're no way for that.
Okay, just 7 minutes. There'll be a fast one here.
Last one, yes. Come on. Come on, let's break tonight. Come on, you got breaking the line, let's.
All is going on, one front wheel going on, and just tightening the last few bits around the back of it. So, very complete now, it's just under 7.5 minutes.
Give it up, lads. Come on.
Make sure everything's good and tight because the referee will be checking. So, they're as well off to spend an extra minute tightening up things. This month's Irish Vintage Scene magazine, which is on sale in this row K here, just a couple of shelves up, has a report on all the events so far this year, all the rounds of the bills so far this year, so the results of these bills and where they're updated.
And I get the wheels on.
You can also keep updated on our website for
8 minutes, lads. Come on, 8.
Oh, no, you're
Hey, 15 lads. Come on, lads. Eugene. Come on, lads.